Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate here on 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 65. This is the final day of our Write Up Reviews promotion and we've seen some great results so far. Tomorrow, we'll be moving on to another exciting ClickBank offer, paid online writing jobs. But before we switch, let's make the most of today's opportunity. Today is the last chance to promote Write Up Reviews and we've already hit some great milestones including our first sale. In this video, I'll walk you through wrapping up the promotion, setting up the final email, and getting ready for what's next. Plus, I'll remind you about HBA, the powerful $25 funnel builder that's also a great affiliate offer we'll be promoting soon. Let's dive in. Let's first take a look at the stats from yesterday's email. Let's go to the MLGS, go to statistics. So yesterday was the 1st of October. So we've been seeing consistent engagement, open clicks in our first sale, and remember, even after today, leads from this campaign might still convert as the offer follows up with them. Now let's set up our final email for the write-up reviews promotion. So we'll be using email number 5. Let's copy it fully. Let's make all the changes required. So the introduction. Let's fix our hop link. So change your ClickBank ID to your own. And if you want to track where the lead is coming from, remember to use the TID. Let's encode it in ClickBank. Go to Affiliate Link Tools, encode, paste your link, and encode affiliate link. Once we have our link encoded, we can enter it in the email itself. We'll be using the last sentence. So if you're interested in becoming one of our reviewers, just highlight the whole text, insert link, paste your affiliate link, and that's it. Don't forget to sign, as always. Now, unfortunately, I've already sent my email today through MLGS, but as always, you need to go to your mailing system, select all the leads, enter your subject line, copy the email body. Again, only highlight the link so it's more prominent, select the perfect timing, and press the send button. Everything for you is set up. Once the timer appears, you can move on. As we wrap up this promotion, keep in mind that some of these leads might still convert later on, thanks to the follow-up emails sent directly by the offer. So even though today is the last active day of promoting write-up reviews, the work we've done can continue to bring in sales over time. Consistency really is a key. Starting tomorrow, we'll be promoting paid online writing jobs, another top ClickBank offer. This one has great potential, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up and get the best results. We'll use the same strategies that worked with write-up reviews, but with a few adjustments to suit this new offer. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you about something coming up soon: the Home Business Academy, or HBA. After we finish promoting paid online writing jobs, we'll be diving into this powerful $25 funnel builder, which is also an amazing affiliate offer. Not only is HBA a top-notch funnel builder to grow your online business, but it's also a great income opportunity for affiliates. If you want to get head start, you can sign up right now using the link in the description, quickstart25.com. HBA is affordable and effective, and I'm excited to dive into it soon. And of course, if you want more tips and support on your affiliate marketing journey, join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. It's a great place to connect with others, share your experience, and get helpful strategies. The link is in the description, so be sure to check it out. So that's it for the day 65. We've wrapped up our writing up reviews promotion, and tomorrow we're starting with paid online writing jobs. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're ready to get started with HBA, the $25 funnel builder, the link is in the description. Let's keep this momentum going, and I'll see you tomorrow.